Hi everyone, it's Dale here with new weekly trading ideas video. What you see before you, this is NinjaTrader 8 platform with my custom-made volume profile and the VWAP indicators. And the chart, that's the euro dollar 30-minute time frame. And in here I want to talk about a strong support. And you can see that support in here. It is at 1.1439. And there are a couple of reasons behind this being a strong support. So, as usual, let me start with the volume profile. If you look into this area, this is a strong trend. And if you look into this area with volume profile, then it shows significant volume zones. There is this significant volume zone, this one, and then there's this one. The first one has been tested. In here, there has been a reaction. Then there was the second one. This one also tested, so both those are tested. Then there's the third one. This one hasn't been tested yet. So if there's a pullback to this heavy volume zone, then there should be a similar reaction like we saw in here and in here. The reason being is that as the buyers were pushing the price upwards, they were leaving those heavy volumes here, and those represent places which are important for the buyers because they were adding to the long positions here, and they defend those heavy volume zones, as you can see in here and in here. So that's why the price should react to the third volume cluster as well. The buyers from here should defend it, push the price upwards from there as well. Now, there's another thing that adds strength to this level, and the thing is a fair value gap. It's highlighted in green. This is the fair value gap. It's from Smart Money Concepts, and in the long trade scenario, I like to trade from the beginning of the fair value gap, which is right here at our level. Now, a third thing that adds strength to our level is that this level was a strong resistance in the past. You can see that the price was reacting to this zone in the past many times. That means that it was a resistance zone, right? In the past, it was a resistance. When the price blew past that resistance, it turned into a support, right? So that's another setup that adds strength to this level. And what we need to do now is just to wait for that pullback, and if it occurs, then take it from there. All right, the level is at 1.1439. Now the next trading idea I want to talk about is on the Australian dollar US dollar. So let's check it out. So this is the Australian dollar US dollar 30-minute chart, and I want to talk about this resistance, which is at 0.6510. Now this one is based on a significant rejection of higher prices. This is the rejection. Now a rejection means that the price goes one way, then suddenly turns and goes the other way. It needs to be sudden, it needs to be aggressive, right? And within the rejection, somewhere around the place where the price turned, you need to see significant volume cluster, like this one. See? This is where the sellers started to jump in. They started to add to their short positions here, and they reversed this buying activity into sell-off. So those sellers should be active here, and when the price makes it to this level again, then the sellers should push the price downwards from this level again. All right, so now we need to wait for that pullback, and when it occurs, if it occurs, then take it from there. The level is at 0.6510. Oh, and by the way, there's also a small fair value gap right here. That's the fair value gap. In a short trade scenario, you want to trade from this place. This is the beginning of the fair value gap. That's exactly where the level is. All right. So yeah, that's the plan for the Australian dollar US dollar. And let's now check out the next trading idea, and it will be on the US dollar Canadian dollar. So this is US dollar Canadian dollar, and I want to talk about this resistance which formed on Friday. It is at 1.3613, and it is based on significant volumes. You can look at it either this way, like those heavy volumes, or you can move the profile like this, and in this case we are talking about this heavy volume zone, and it is beginning in here where our level is, and as you can see from there, a pretty strong sell started. Also, by the way, there was a fair value gap. This fair value gap highlighted in red. This is the beginning of it, beginning of the fair value gap, also beginning of the heavy volume zone. Now, the heavy volume zone is showing us a place where sellers were active, adding to their short positions, right? So when the price reaches this place, then the sellers should defend this place and push the price downwards. Now, also, there was a reaction to this level in the past. That means that it was a strong support, right? The level was a strong support because the price reacted to it pretty strongly, and then the support turned into a resistance, right? From this place where the price went past that support. So right now we have this level, which is a combo of 3 trading setups. One is the volume profile setup, the other one, that's the fair value gap, the third one is the support becoming resistance setup. All of those pointing me to this level. So chances are that when the price makes it to this level, there'll be a reaction. Now, if you guys are interested in learning more about volume profile trading, then head over to my website. It is at traderdale.com, and if you click this button which says Trading Course and Tools, and it will take you to this page, and in here you can browse my trading education and custom-made trading tools. There's the volume profile pack, order flow pack, VWAP pack, and smart money pack. You can get them separately in here, or scroll down a bit and get them in one big discounted bundle, or 4 packs together for $7.97. Now, before I wrap the video up, I'd like to announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of the contest were my custom-made volume profile and VWAP indicators for TradingView platform, and right now on your screen you see the name of the person who won in the contest. So congratulations to the winner, and what I'll do next is I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing that you need to do to participate in this contest is leave a comment below this video, which I'll publish on YouTube, and next week I'll randomly pick one person to win this set of custom-made indicators. So that's about that. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading!